What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hold on.
Open up, UOPN.
Sorry about that, y'all. The music I had playing in the background on my laptop, it was a little too loud and I couldn't hear myself talk or think. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Right now, today, this is going to be a real quick, not a full face for you guys because I don't have my tinted moisturizer, but I need to run out and get a couple things. Today's my birthday. Hands up for the birthday girl. Watch out for the birthday girl. Watch out for the birthday girl. Watch out for the birthday girl. I know I can't dance. I'm sorry, y'all. So I'm not going to do any talking at all. I'm just going to dive right into this video. So I'll come back at the end. hands. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. It is very simple. Took me less than 10 minutes. It could have taken me less than 10 minutes if I had not been playing around dancing, but you know I can't help it. It's your girl birthday, so she gonna get cute and everything. I don't know if you can tell, but I forgot my eyebrow pencil, so I had to use a brush. You know, you gotta make things work out the way you do. So this is my little birthday outfit for today. At least one. I don't know if you can see that, but she getting snatched or whatever. Yes, yes, your girl getting snatched or whatever. I will post a fitness update shortly. I know I have not been consistent, but your girl lazy. And you know, that's all I can say. I'm lazy, you know, about working out and recording, so I can't help it. Anyway, that is it for this video. Drop me a comment and tell me happy birthday and let me know that y'all love me. No, I'm not joking. So that is it. That is all I have for you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. So take care.